Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Vivo T5X 5G has finally been launched and it's already creating a lot of buzz with its features and pricing. After days of teasers on Flipkart and plenty of leaks, Vivo has now officially unveiled the T5X 5G in the Indian market, and in today's video, we're going to take a complete look at everything it brings to the table. Let us talk about the biggest highlight of this phone, which is the battery. Vivo is packing a monstrous 7200 mAh battery inside this device. It will support 44-watt fast charging out of the box, meaning you can easily get 1.5 to 2 days of battery backup on a single charge. Powering this beast is the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Turbo or Ultra chipset. It is built on a 4nm architecture and boasts an Antutu score of over 1 million, making it a powerhouse for its segment. You also get UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR4X RAM, making it a very solid choice for smooth gaming and multitasking. Moving on to the display, you are getting a large 6.7-inch to 6.9-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel. It features a super smooth 120Hz or 144Hz refresh rate. While many of us were hoping for an AMOLED screen at this price point, Vivo has stuck with LCD, meaning you will get a side-mounted fingerprint scanner instead of an under-display one. On the back, it features a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary Sony sensor and a 2-megapixel depth lens. The big upgrade is actually in the front, where the selfie camera has been bumped up to an impressive 32 megapixels. Both the front and back cameras are expected to support 4K video recording, which is great for content creators. Durability is top-notch this year. The phone comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, making it highly resistant to water and dust. On the software side, it will run on the latest Android 16 right out of the box, layered with Origin OS 6, and Vivo is promising 2 years of major OS updates. Finally, let us talk about the pricing. The base variant of the Vivo T5X 5G is expected to be priced aggressively between 17,000 and 20,000 Indian rupees. This makes it a very strong competitor against the newly launched iQOO Z11X. What do you think about the Vivo T5X 5G? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and please like and subscribe for more tech updates.